Imagine a taillight that does more than just light the way. It protects your assets. Introducing the BrightOrder Tail Light Tracker, a telematics device designed to look like any ordinary taillight, but with powerful tracking capabilities built right in. It's discreet, tamper-proof, and incredibly easy to install. Once in place, the taillight tracker goes to work, giving you real-time updates on your vehicle's location and security. If someone tries to tamper with it, you'll receive an instant alert, helping you protect your assets before it's too late. Bluetooth functionality enables the device to connect with additional compatible sensors, whether it's for fuel, temperature, or door tamper detection. Everything is synced up and ready to go. Plus, with a long-lasting battery, the taillight tracker works reliably for the long haul. With its seamless design, no one will suspect that it's more than just a taillight. Set it up once, and you can rest easy, knowing that BrightOrder's taillight tracker has your back. For more information, visit brightorder.com/telematics. Stay secure and motor on with peace of mind.